Well, good morning, students. Surprise, surprise. I'm going to throw in there a little reminder of or refresher about how to do the coterminal angle. So if I have 65 degrees, just real quick, 65 degrees going to fall in here. And if I want one positive, one negative, all I have to do is add 360. So 65 plus 360, and I get 425 degrees. That's my positive. So 65 plus 360. And if I want to get the negative, all I have to do is take 65 and subtract 360. And I get negative 295. And that comes from taking 65 and subtracting 360. Just real quick figuring there. So don't want to spend my time doing that. I just wanted to throw that refresher in here. In this situation, 13 pi over 18, I would just convert this to degrees, and the way I do that is to multiply 13 pi over 18 times 180 over pi. My pi's cancel out. That divides out to 10. 10 times 13 is 130. So 130 degrees is going to fall in here. How do I find the positive coterminal? I just add 360, so 360 plus 130, and I get 490. And then to get the negative, I just take 130 and I subtract 360, and I get negative 230 degrees. So positive, negative. All right. So reference angles, you just watched a video about reference angles. So I'm hoping this can help clarify what we're looking for. So first I'm going to graph where 225. Well, I know this is 90 degrees. This is 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and then all the way around is 360 degrees. So 225 falls right here. So that's a 225 degree angle. I'm looking for this portion right here. So this angle right here is exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm just going to drop a perpendicular down, and then I'm going to calculate. I know that this is 225. Well, I just want to know the difference from 225 back to 180. And whenever I do that, I get a 45 degree angle. So this right here is 45 degrees. All right. So next angle I'm looking at is negative 310. Now, if I'm starting, this time I'm starting and I'm going negative direction. So negative 180, negative 270. Well, negative 310 is going to fall here. And I know that if I go, I want to know the difference. So this time it's a little tricky because I'm not going to subtract. I'm just going to think, well, what is my coterminal angle? Well, my positive coterminal angle is 360 plus negative 310. So this right here is what I'm looking for. And this time, and notice I didn't really talk about coterminal angles over here because this is a positive angle, but negative is when we definitely need to understand coterminal. So I said to find coterminal, I need to take 310 and add 360. And what do I get? I get a positive 50 degrees. So my reference angle is also my coterminal angle, and it's 50 degrees. Next reference angle, we are going to convert to degrees. 2 pi over 3. Well, I can talk about that. 2 pi over 3 means that I've divided this into 3 sections. So I know 1/3, 2/3, 3/3 get me to pi, or 180 degrees. So the question is, how much is this angle right here? Well, I know if I went all the way around, that would give me 3 pi over 3. That's the same thing as pi because the 3's cancel out. Well, 3 minus 2 leaves me with pi over 3. That's that measurement right there. If I was to do this in terms of degrees, well, 2 pi over 3 measures 120 degrees. You can check it. You can do the multiplication and double check that. And if that's 120 degrees, then I know pi over 3. So the reference angle is 60 degrees.